Hello friends, this is Aditya and you are watching Electric Vehicles India. Friends, currently I am in Vijayawada and I have Ola S1 Pro electric scooter with me. So in this video, let's test Ola Hyper charging station and how it works. So the specialty about the hyper charging station which I am going to visit in a few minutes time is it's one and only hyper charging station in Vijayawada and it's one and only Ola hyper charging station in whole Andhra Pradesh state. So now let's navigate to nearest Ola hypercharging station, which is one and only hypercharging station in whole AP. So let's navigate to that hypercharging station with the help of inbuilt maps in this Ola S1 Pro electric scooter, and let's test how that hypercharging station works. Friends, this is the home screen of Ola S1 Pro electric scooter display. So if you swipe right, so here is the map window. Here you can search nearest hypercharging station. So as there is only one hypercharging station for this whole Andhra Pradesh districts, it's directly there here. So here is the way. Let me start it. It's 1.2 kilometers away from the place where I am. So the navigation has started. It's showing 1.16 kilometers and 3 minutes to that hypercharging station. So now let's head out to those hypercharging station and let's check how it works. It's 956 meters away from the place where we are in right now. So we are heading to Ola hyper charging station. So it's showing to take left here. Does the display works when we are going? Okay. Sorry. So we hit one speed breaker and I can feel the stiffness of the front suspension. It's hard. So the display is not working when we are on the go. We have to stop side by to access the display again. So this is the BPCL petrol bunk at which Ola hyper charging station is located at. Friends, we have reached the Bharat Petroleum petrol bunk at which Ola hyper charging station is located at. So this is the Ola hyper charging station and a Ola electric scooter is being charging here. So let's test that gun. There are two guns over here. One is charging and one is empty. So let's test that. Friends, in order to charge this Ola S1 Pro electric scooter, the charging port will be at the rear. So here you can see Ola S1 Pro badging. So if you press this, the charging port will be open and here there is a cap. So if you open the cap, so here is the charging port of this Ola S1 Pro electric scooter. And if you look at the charging station, this Ola hypercharger, there is no display to indicate how much percentage there in your electric scooter, or there is no payment gateway here. So as of now, this Ola hypercharging station is free to use. So let me pull the gun. So this is the Ola hypercharging station gun, and let me insert this gun to our Ola S1 Pro. So I have inserted the gun. So as you can see here, it's showing 70% of the charge and it's showing hyper charging. Device connected successfully. So the hyper charging station has successfully connected to our Ola S1 Pro. But the main problem here is the hyper charging station is not working. It's not pulling out the power from this hyper charging station. The main indication for that is there is no power symbol here. So if the hyper charging station is working finely, here we can observe the charging symbol and there will be a stop charging option over here. So there is no stop charging option and there is no power symbol here. That means this Ola hyper charging station is not working. There are two guns over here. One gun is working and this gun which we have attached to our Ola S1 Pro is not working. Now the only way is to detach this gun from our Ola S1 Pro and wait until the owner of this white Ola S1 Pro comes and remove that gun. So then we can insert that gun to our Ola S1 Pro and we can start our charging. So let's wait until that owner comes and let's charge our Ola S1 Pro with the help of that first gun. So friends, this white S1 Pro has completed its charging and the number 2 charging gun is empty now. So let's pull out this charging gun and let's attach this to our Ola S1 Pro. So I'm attaching this. You just need to pull the gun and attach to this charging point. So I have attached the gun. So as you can see, there is a small tuck sound. So that indicates the hypercharger connector is successfully connected to our OLA S1 Pro. And now you can observe the display. Okay, as you can see here, it's showing stop charging symbol, and here there is a green color symbol indicating the hyper charging station is working and our OLA S1 Pro is taking charging. So previously we did not observe these two options, whereas that indicates that gun is not working and the number 2 gun is currently working, and our OLA S1 Pro is charging right now. So as you can see, currently there is 72% charging in our OLA S1 Pro. Friends, as you can see, to charge 100% it's showing an estimated time of 8:56 p.m. which is literally 2 hours. So this is a hell out of time to charge from 74% to 100%. So let me explain how this hypercharging station works now. As you saw just now, it's showing literally 2 hours to charge from 74% to 100%. So basically how this OLA hypercharging station work is, to charge from 0 to 50%, it takes only 25 minutes. So for every 1 minute, it charges 2%. So in 25 minutes, it can charge from 0 to 50%. So from 0 to 70%, it takes 2 minutes to charge every 1%. So after 70%, it's basically equal to portable charger. So as you just know, it's taking 2 hours to charge from 74% to 100%. So basically you can use this OLA hyper charging station to charge from 0 to 70% only. After 70%, it's literally equal to portable charger. And it also depends, and the charging time also depends on the temperature of the battery. It automatically detects the temperature of your battery, and your battery temperature is more than 40%, it won't charges your electric scooter. The battery should be literally under 40 degrees to charge your OLA electric scooter with the help of this OLA hyper charging station. And this is the one and only charging station which is available in Andhra Pradesh district. In the 2 guns, only 1 gun is working, and to charge from 70% to 100%, it literally showing 2 hours. So this is not a correct way from OLA. OLA should figure out the solutions and the problems which are faced at this OLA hypercharging stations. So that's it for this video, guys. Please let us know your thoughts on this OLA hypercharging stations, and anyone of you watching this video has tested OLA hypercharging station, please let us know your experience in the comment section. So that's it for video, guys. If you found the video helpful, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Electric Vehicles India, go green, go electric.